In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the checkout page in Wix 2025. Let's dive into the process step by step so that you can customize the checkout experience for your customers effectively. First, head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard for the specific website you want to edit. This is your command center for the site, letting you oversee various functionalities and customizations. In the left-hand sidebar, depending on your version of Wix, you should look for either Store Products or Settings. It's important to note that you need to be on a business premium plan to access checkout customization, as it requires payment processing capabilities. Once you're in the dashboard, go to Store and then Checkout Settings, where you'll find several essential options. These include layout and design adjustments, the fields displayed during checkout, payment and shipping settings, and even policies such as privacy, refund, and terms. Spend a moment exploring each of these sections, bearing in mind that even minor changes can significantly improve your conversion rates. Now let's spend some time customizing the checkout fields. Click on Edit Checkout Fields. From here, you have the flexibility to add, remove, or reorder fields such as the customer's name, email and phone number, or even include more personalized options like a gift message. Remember, you can mark these fields as required or optional depending on your needs. It's beneficial to keep the checkout process as simple as possible, since complicated processes with too many fields can deter customers and lead to cart abandonment. Another vital aspect is the visual appeal of your checkout page. In the Checkout Design section, adjust the colors, fonts, and button styles to reflect your brand image, and decide between a one-page or multi-step checkout layout. Including your logo adds a professional touch and a sense of brand consistency, which can significantly boost customer confidence. Moving forward, let's set up your payment options. Go to Payments and then Accept Payments. Here you have the option to enable multiple payment methods such as credit or debit cards via Wix Payments, PayPal, Stripe, and even manual payments like bank transfers or cash on delivery. It's crucial to test each payment method with a small transaction to ensure everything is working smoothly before making it live. Next, it's time to test your checkout page. On your live site, add a product to the cart and walk through the checkout process. Make sure all fields are displayed correctly, payment options function, shipping rates calculate right, and confirmation emails are received. For the best results, have a friend or team member do a test run. They might catch user experience issues that you might have missed. Once you're satisfied with everything, hit the publish button to make your changes live. To continuously improve, monitor your site's analytics using Wix Analytics, checking for data like abandoned carts, conversion rates, and payment method usage. Regularly optimizing your checkout page based on analytics can help you boost your sales over time. And there you have it, a fully customized checkout page on Wix 2025. Make sure to revisit and refine your setup periodically, using these steps to maintain an optimized and efficient checkout experience for your customers.